Today is the history we all should remember because we and our nation adopted few guidelines on how we live here, which means India adopted constitution. On this day since 1949, India was no longer a dominion of the British Crown. The Constitution of India, which made India a sovereign and democratic republic, was adopted on 26 November 1949 and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Prior to it, laws meant to govern India were first framed in Britain in the 19th century. To draft the Constitution of India, the body which set up had first session on December 9, 1946 and was attended by 207 members including 9 women. Some of the important members of the Constituent Assembly included B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajgopalachari, Vallabhbhai Patel, Kannaiah Munshi and Rajendra Prasad. The Assembly took over 3 years to draft the Constitution, spending over 114 days considering the content of the draft alone. Out of some 7,600 amendments that were tabled, the committee got rid of about 2,400 while debating and deliberating on the Constitution. The last session of the Constitution Assembly ended on November 26, 1949, when the Constitution was adopted. It came into effect on 26 January the following year after 284 members signed it. Since 2015, November 26th is celebrated as Constitution Day. Let's know a few lesser known facts about Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called as father of the Indian Constitution. Original copy of Constitution was not printed but handwritten by Prem Behri Naren Raizada. Each page was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. The original copies of the Indian Constitution were written in Hindi and English, and they are kept in special helium-filled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. There are a total of 1,17,369 words in the English version of the Constitution of India, which contains 444 articles in 22 parts, 12 schedules and 115 amendments. Our Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. The Constituent Assembly, which first met on 9th December 1946, took precisely 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come up with the final draft. The country has every reason to be proud of its constitution and the men and women who brought it to life.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.